Hi, Mang! Happy birthday! Mang, mista na ka. Duga na ta wala nagkita. But anyway, I'm so happy, Mang, na 80th birthday na ka. So, it doesn't matter how old or young. What matters most is daghan tao nga imuhang gi-inspire, daghan tao na imuhang enlighten ang mga utok, ang mga hunahuna, and I'm one of those. I'm lucky, Mang, na na part ko sa family at the same time parang adapted apo, and I have lots of wishful thoughts for you, and same ra gihapon sa mga nagmahal sa imuha. I hope always have a good health, at the same time always happy, mamang, and I hope that you're always worry-free, especially sa atong mga edad. If there will be any problems, di na kayo magpa-carried away. And mang, I would just like to tell you that I'm happy that you're surrounded with the beautiful and good people around you, sa imuhang mga anak, sa imuhang mga apo, o sa mga great-grandchildren. And I hope more years to come, although dili kaayo ta magkita, pero you're always here in my heart, mamang, and I'm looking forward nga pohon makabanding gihapon ta ka, and soon makalaag ko diha. And although dili ta magkita, mang, basta always remember all the good things and prayers nga imuhang hatag sa amoa, especially sa mga advices, ginadumduman gida nako. And mang, what can I say? Happy birthday and I love you.